Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting ergonomics, seat, mirrors, and wheel so you can reach pedals and see mirrors without strain. Once done, keep your right foot firmly on the brake. Modern Fords will allow ignition only with brake engaged. Turn the key or press start until the dashboard lights cycle, confirming onboard systems are ready. Make sure the parking brake is set, then move the shifter from P to D when the instrument cluster confirms transmission readiness. This prevents unintended roll or gear engagement. With the car in drive, release the brake gradually while applying gentle throttle to create a smooth launch. This reduces transmission strain and prevents jerks. Pay attention to engine sound and tachometer. Automatic shifting usually occurs at the manufacturer-recommended RPM range, so let the gearbox upshift without forcing it. Once moving, maintain steady inputs. Anticipate traffic and coast when safe to minimize abrupt braking and hard downshifts. If you need more power, apply steady throttle rather than sudden stomps. The transmission adapts more smoothly that way. Bring the vehicle to a complete stop using progressive braking. Once fully stopped, keep your foot on the brake and shift to park. Engage the parking brake before releasing the brake pedal, especially on inclines, to remove load from the transmission parking pawl and prevent creep. If the shifter refuses to move out of park, make sure your foot is firmly pressing the brake and the ignition is on. Check for a flashing dash message or brake light fuse issues. That one troubleshooting step resolves most no-shift problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.